Dusti visited today, and she visited about a few books she wrote about Avon Green.
When did you start liking to make books?
Well, when I started writing. So I was around 28 when I started writing. So I like to say during my presentation, almost 30, because that sounds more dramatic.
So what/who was the inspiration for Connor's mom?
Recipe of Friendship, and it's based off of her book because her book was mostly about friendship. Put 4 cups of trust, 3 tablespoons of funniness, 2 teaspoons of love, 1 cup of thoughtfulness, a pinch of positive energy.
I thought it was pretty fun because we got to do a ton of different activities and we got to meet the author. So I thought that was pretty cool.